Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Combine 500 g all-purpose flour, 60 g sugar, 10 g salt, and 10 g instant yeast in a mixing bowl and whisk briefly to distribute. Add 200 ml cold milk and 2 large eggs, then mix until a cohesive, slightly sticky dough forms. Do not overwork. Shape into a 15 by 10 cm rectangle, wrap in plastic, and chill for 1 hour to relax gluten and keep the dough cold for lamination. Prepare a 300 g butter block, flattened to a 15 by 10 cm rectangle and chilled, but pliable. This is the only butter layer you will use. Roll the dough to 30 by 15 cm, place the butter block in the center, and fold the dough over to fully enclose the butter, sealing all edges firmly. Perform 3-letter folds with 30-minute chilling between each fold so the butter stays cold and you create distinct laminated layers for a flaky. Roll the laminated dough to 5 mm thickness and cut into 12 equal triangles. For rounds, use a 7 cm cutter. Roll each triangle from base to tip for croissant-like layers, or shape into pockets and arrange on a lined tray. Proof the shaped pastries at 24 degrees C for 60 to 75 minutes until noticeably puffy but not doubled. Brush with egg wash. Bake at 200 degrees C for 12 to 15 minutes until
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.